Yeah. Yeah, you can leave it about an inch off that. You don't have to actually rest it right on. Not while you're transporting. If you're doing it with glass, it can shell the glass sometimes because there's going to be a bit of movement. So you don't want it to sit right on those while you're transporting, right? It's just as a safety in case the suction slips. There's, yeah, half an inch off or so is fine. That's
almost finishing our wall. I want to put that first piece
Pardon?
This is when I want to tip them over.
Yeah.
Didn't understand the balance point of the machine in the beginning, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, so it was wanting to tip. You had to lift it up.
Pretty much. Even when it was up in, like, you've got your height clearances, right? It was still pretty wobbly. One guy could actually push the glass forward without any effort at all.
Yeah, I'm going to explain something to you guys in a minute on the balance and the weight distribution.
I actually had a chance to read the manual because I built the last machine. We didn't understand that before.
Right.
But now we grasp the concept of it and everything.
Okay.
This is the position that we found most awkward, is when we're in between the carpet and the wall, right?
When you're going to install it into the opening?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because when you're traveling down the halls, you're very restricted on room.
Yes. Okay, hold on. Let me just get around here and watch how you're going to do this. Okay, go ahead. So those are brackets that, do they lock into a channel or something? And those stay on there permanently?
Yeah, so where the embed is in the precast,
right?
You have to locate on the top wall, not the top.
Oh, I see. You've already got these plates in place.
Yeah.
At pre-specified spots.
Yeah. A lot of thought goes into this one.
Yeah. You're checking your vacuum cups to make sure that they're holding. Yeah.
We have to travel that way almost consolidation. Back there.
Now, okay. Yeah, 1 sec. I just want to watch what they're doing.
You know what? Take it apart. You can go put the opposite on the other end. Right? So I can double check it back for the level. Good there.